Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to track a YouTube video that is embedded in your website. Okay, so in your Tagmate app, sign in with Google and just select your account. Select your data stream. I want to send data in Google Analytics 4, so I am just selecting Google Analytics 4 and click on the start project. So here it is. So this is actually a dashboard, and you can see the projects and available templates and everything. Okay, so for this project, this template tracking, the first step is to connect a GTM account. So I'm just selecting one of the GTM account, but you can add new GTM account by clicking this add new and select this. Okay, so here I need to create one project, so I'm just going to create one project. So let's say this is a video tracking of YouTube. Okay, and I have to follow some prerequisite steps. So need to select tag manager account, so automatically fetching the container associated with this tag manager account. I'm selecting one of the container, and it will automatically fetch the workspace. So I'm selecting the workspace. Since I want to send this to GA4, so I have to enter the measurement ID of my GA4 property. So this is actually the admin section, and select the data stream and click on this, and this is actually the measurement ID. So I'm copying this and entering over here. I click the create button of this project. All right, so a project has been successfully created. To select this project and click on add new button, or click on this templates navigation menu, click on add new button, and this is actually the categories of the templates. So I'm selecting the video engagement and click on this push to GTM. Okay, so here the three templates are available. Since I know my video is YouTube, so I'm selecting the YouTube. So in this first step, need to just select the trigger type. So let's say I'm selecting the some videos, and this is the triggering condition. So let's say this is actually my demo site, and just putting the values, and this is actually a progress. So every time, let's say this is 10 second, 20 second, and 30 seconds. So it will give the event on the seconds. Okay, uh, these are the extra event parameters, but it's optional. So you want to send video provider, video visibility, video URL duration, then you can set this up, and just click this push to GTM, and that's it. And we have to wait here because Tagmate is actually interacting with Google Tag Manager via API calls. So there are so many API calls, so it is communicating, and it would take some time. Okay, so video tracking templates is pushed, and let's select with the Tag Manager, and I'm just refreshing it a bit, and here it is. So all the events and required tags and has been created over here. Okay, as you can see, a few seconds ago, 10 minutes ago, it's created. But let's check it the real action. So click on this preview mode, and this is actually my website. So I'm clicking on this connect, and here it is. Okay, so I'm just clearing from the tag assistant to have a better view, and this is actually my website. So I'm just try to arrange little bit. Okay, so this is actually my YouTube video. Okay, and I am going to play here. Okay, so it is in play mode. As you can see, the tag has been fired over here. This tag has been fired. Okay, and this is the actually the other events. And after the 10 second, another event will be fired. All right. Okay, so this is about the data layer and everything, tags and everything, but let's check it a real action. So go to your Google Analytics. Okay, and click on configure and go to debug view. Oh, as you can see, this is the event of video start and everything is coming. So this is actually, let's say, video title and video provider and everything. So this is about video progress. Okay, so let's say video duration. So this is actually a video duration, 23 seconds, and everything is coming out. So this is very easy. Through Tagmate you can track your YouTube videos on your website. Bye bye.